In last video we have seen equivalence classes theorem, equivalence classes theorem. Also we have seen congruence class of a modulo n. The definition of congruence class of modulo n is for A belongs to Z, this set A bar equal to X belongs to Z such that X is congruent to A modulo n is called as congruence class of a modulo n. Next we have seen theorem depends on congruence class of a modulo n. Next we have seen examples, and in this video next example is find all congruence classes of Z modulo 4. First we know that definition of congruence class of a modulo n is A bar equal to X belongs to Z such that X is congruent to A modulo n. Let X belongs to Z when X is divided by 4, X is divided by 4, the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, we have to find the congruence classes of 0, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, the congruence class corresponding to 0 is 0 bar. Here A equal to 0. 0 bar equal to X belongs to Z such that X is congruent to A is 0 modulo n, n is 4, n is 4, which is equal to X belongs to Z such that 4 divides X minus 0, X belongs to Z such that 4 divides X, which is equal to X belongs to Z such that X equal to 4k, k belongs to Z. Therefore, this set is, when we put k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 3, we get 0, 4, 8 and so on, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on, by putting the values of k. When we put k equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Next, find congruence class of 1, means 1 bar equal to X belongs to Z such that X is congruent to, now here A equal to 1, X is congruent to 1 modulo n is 4, which is equal to X belongs to Z such that 4 divides X minus 1, X belongs to Z such that 4 divides x minus 1 means x belongs to z such that x minus 1 equal to 4k, k belongs to z. X belongs to z such that x equal to 1 plus 4k, k belongs to z. When we put k equal to 0, we get x equal to 1 plus 4 into 0, which is equal to 1. K equal to 1, x equal to 1 plus 4 into 1, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Put k equal to 2, we get x equal to 1 plus 4 into 2, which is equal to 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Similarly, if we put k equal to minus 1, we get x equal to 1 plus 4 into minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. If k equal to minus 2, we get x equal to 1 plus 4 into minus 2 equal to 1 minus 8, which is equal to minus 7. Therefore, 1 bar equal to the set of 1, 5, 9 and so on. When k equal to minus 1, we get minus 3, minus 7 and so on. Similarly, we get congruence class of 2 bar equal to minus 6, minus 2, 2, 6, 10 and so on. And 3 bar equal to set of minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, 11 and so on. Next, this is the answer of this example. Find all congruence classes of Z modulo 4. Now, next example. Justify the set of non-negative integers, z plus, and the set of non-positive integers z minus, do not partition the set of integers. Solution. We know that z plus equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and z minus equal to set of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Here we get common element in z plus and z minus is 0. 0 is the common element of these two sets. That's why it is not a partition, because we know the partition is a set of disjoint set whose union is that set. But these two sets are not disjoint. That's why it is not a partition. Therefore, z plus and z minus do not partition the set of integers. Next example. Let S equal to the set of ordered pair AB such that AB belongs to Z, B is not equal to 0. If AB, CD belongs to this set, yes. Define AB similar to CD if A into D equal to B into C. This relation is defined as AB similar to CD if A into D equal to B into C. Show that similar is an equivalence relation. First, to show that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First, we know the fact that AB equal to B into A, which implies, here definition, if AD equal to BC, then bracket is AB similar to CD. Therefore, this equal to AB similar to AB. Therefore, similar is reflexive. AB. Now, second, if AB similar to CD and A into D equal to B into C. A into D equal to B into C means C into B equal to D into A, which implies CD similar to AB. CD similar to AB. Therefore, similar is symmetric. Third, to show that transitive, let AB similar to CD and CD similar to EF, we get AD equal to BC and CF equal to DE. We have AD equal to BC multiplying by F on both sides, we get ADF equal to BCF, but CF equal to DE. By putting CF equal to DE, we get ADF equal to BDE. DD get cancelled, which implies F equal to BE. DD get cancelled when D is not equal to 0. AD equal to B, which implies AB similar to EF. Therefore, similar is transitive. Therefore, by 1, 2, 3, therefore, by 1, 2 and 3, similar is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, similar is an equivalence relation. This is our example and this is answer. Now next example, show that similarity of two triangles is an equivalence relation on set of all triangles. First, what is similarity of triangles? We know the definition of similar triangles. Two triangles are similar if corresponding angles are congruent and if the ratio of corresponding sides is constant. Answer of this example is let SP